In today's video, we will be unlocking the secrets to optimizing your Google My Business. This video is your ultimate guide to optimizing and ranking higher. So first up, let's dive into optimizing your Google My Business profile. Step 1, complete your profile. Ensure that you've entered the most current and accurate information, including your business name, address, phone number, and business hours, as this is vital in establishing your business's presence and credibility. Next up, you need to choose your business's categories wisely. Yes, you need to select the right primary category that best represents your business. And also, don't forget to add additional relevant categories so that it helps Google understand the full scope of your business. Next, you want to make sure to use a local phone number. Show Google and your community that you are part of the neighborhood by using a local phone number, which helps in building trust and authenticity. Next up, add eye-catching photos. You want to include high-quality photos of your products, services, and office. This can significantly enhance your listing and entice potential customers to choose you over competitors. So now let's dive into the goldmine of customer reviews. So first up, with these reviews, you need to actively request them and then also respond to these reviews. So you want to encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews and make sure you respond to them promptly to establish a connection and showcase your customer service to these satisfied customers. Next, you're going to need to manage your negative reviews. Now, you never want to ignore them. Don't ignore the negative feedback, but you want to address these issues with courtesy and offer solutions and show potential customers that you're committed to improving your business. So now let's switch gears and focus on engagement through Google Posts. So you really want to leverage the power of Google Posts. You need to share events, offers, and news through Google Posts, which then appear within your Google My Business listing. This creates a dynamic and interactive experience for your users and potential customers. Then also, consistency is super key for any engagement. You want to maintain a steady stream of updates and posts to keep your listing fresh, engaging, and tell Google that your business is actively thriving and growing. So now let's look at the data. You want to make sure to keep an eye on your Google Insights, continuously monitoring how people find your business and what they're looking for, and their subsequent actions through the rich data provided by Google Insights. Then also, you want to make informed decisions using this data. You need to use these insights you gather to make data-driven decisions and fine-tune your strategies for your Google My Business listing. And finally, let's look at the local SEO of Google My Business. So you need to optimize for local keywords. And to do this, you need to conduct research to discover and implement keywords that resonate with the local audience, ensuring your business appears in relevant searches for your local area. You also want to solidify your presence with local citations. This helps ensure your business is consistently listed with accurate information on local directories and websites, and this helps reinforce your online presence for your business. You also want to produce engaging local content. Create blog posts, videos, and other content that focuses on local interests, issues, and events to establish your business as a member of your community. So there you have it, a quick ultimate guide to soaring high on Google My Business in 2023. Now keep in mind, staying on top of this is an ongoing and dynamic process. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and guides, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And to stay updated on when we post, hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we have a new video up. Lastly, check out these other videos right here because I guarantee that you will like them.